Today I'm going to show you how to make bread, but not just any bread, the bread that's sold out. So we're going to start off with 4 cups of warm water, 3 tablespoons of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we're going to add our salt in the flour, and my secret ingredient that I use to make my bread nice and soft and fluffy is powdered milk. At this point, I'm going to add a whole stick of butter, so I'll bring you in and show you what that looks like. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna cover it, wait another 10 minutes, and after that we're gonna turn it on for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna let it rest. You're probably wondering, what do you mean about the bread that sold out? Well, my mom had a couple bakeries in the past, and this is the recipe that she used to make fresh bread every single day in her bakery, and every single day we sold out. Over the years, we've been trying to perfect the recipe and technique. So without holding back, we wanted to share with you all how we make our bread. If y'all have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'd be more than happy to answer. This recipe will make 6 full-size loaves of bread. I divided this dough into 12 because I came up with a different way to shape. Instead of your traditional loaf, I wanted to come up with something where it would be easy to tear off a piece instead of cutting it, plus it makes a great sandwich. So here's the tricky part. I hold this from the middle, gently pull and squeeze all the way to the end. I found this way to be the easiest. And you make one long roll of bread. Once we have the whole pan filled, I'll show you what to do next. Once you're done rolling your dough, you want to ever so gently tug on each end of each roll, just to stretch it out a little bit more to fit the pan. If you're gonna go through the effort of making this, I would recommend making a big batch like I did because it freezes beautifully. And all you have to do when you take it out of the freezer is run it under some cold water real quick. Put it in your oven on 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. I want to thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen here at Gigi's Kitchen Diary. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.